Village Railway for safety by hand. The riders, we ask that the adults with them place themselves on the outside of the road. If it's not practical, make sure that they are held or easily within your reach. We ask that you do not stand up whatsoever while the train is in motion, keeping your head, hands, and feet inside the cars at all times. Eating, drinking, and smoking are not permitted, but water from an enclosed water bottle is encouraged. Sit back and enjoy your train ride as we move through the village to the Firestone Station. Let's wave goodbye to Mary Ann, our conductor, and to Amy, our station master, as we pull away. We are now in Railroad Junction District. The Smith Creek Depot that you see on your left was located about 10 miles west of Fort Huron, Michigan, and it was built in 1858 for the Grand Trunk Railway. This particular depot was brought here in 1928 when Henry Ford learned that there was a young Thomas Edison connection. Go inside, we have a presenter there, Jerry, who will tell you about the duties of a station master and about that young Thomas Edison connection. Across the street from there is the Edison Illuminating Power Plant. Henry Ford had his very first job as a steam engineer back in 1891. This weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we have festivities over at our Central Market, built in 1860. We will have vendors, cooking demonstrations, activities for the children. Do come out and enjoy some of the dramatic programs as well. In front of us, we have our Detroit, Toledo, Milwaukee Roundhouse, built in the year 2000, made to look like one from Marshall, Michigan in 1884. In front of it is the Pier Market turntable, built in 1901. That's how we get our locomotives and other rolling stock in and out of the roundhouse. Roundhouses like this have disappeared. There are fewer than 10 left in the country that function as a roundhouse. We have one because we have 3 steam locomotives which require regular maintenance and service by highly qualified staff. Liberty Craft Works is our next district where you can see glass blowing, pottery making, weaving, and a printing shop. Our artisans are working as they did back in the 1880s using similar skills and tools. And the products that they do Now we're coming into our working farms district. Here you can enjoy the sight, sounds, and smells of a real working farm. The farmhouse you see on your right is from Columbia, Alabama. From 1828, the birthplace of R.B. Firestone. He's the person who supplied Henry Ford with tires for the Model Ts. Over at the barn we have livestock, the crops that are growing, and the animals that we have were true to the Firestone family back in the 1880s. Our staff dressed in period clothing are used in the same type of tools and that they would have used on that farm back in the day. Cattle grazing in the field on your right along with the sheep. As we pull into the Firestone station, please remain seated. The engineer will set a brake and give us the sound of a single whistle, letting us know that it is safe to come off the train. Should you be boarding, you're going to exit to your right side. We'll be here for about 8 minutes before we move on to Susquehanna Station. And as we pull in, let's wave hello to our station master, Anna. Wait for the whistle. It's safe to come off the train.